I'm a bus guy. I've had a lot of buses over the years. Well, this is an 85 B600 Ford bus. It's got 16,000 original miles on it now. It's a 370 gas engine, 4-speed transmission, manual. Putting a 5-speed in it and a 2-speed rear. It was a radio communications van for the county fire company. And we took all the radio equipment out and all that out, and we're making it into a camper. Well, I'm in the middle of doing the build out. It's not finished. Yeah.
I think it looks pretty good. You got this homey feel that I think is nice. You know, a lot of new campers, they're kind of corporate. You know what I mean?
Yeah. This
has a nice feel to it. Are you from the Pines?
Yeah, I live in Bardigan.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm in the Pine Barrens. You got some place to put your feet, put a table in here that just spins around to sit at the table.
Play cards in there or whatever, yeah. Eat lunch.
I like to eat. I'm pretty fond of food. I usually paint everything blue. I just didn't get to this one yet. Generally, I'm towing a trailer full of antique motorcycles with this.
Wow, what kind?
Actually, German and Russian motorcycles.
Any big trip planned?
I tow trailers. Well, the problem I have right now is I have farm animals and nobody to take care of them, so I go on day trips.
Anything else you'd like to add?
If you don't get rained on once in a while, you're not living hard enough. You're not living your life right. You got to get rained on once in a while. You're not living your life right.
That's good advice.